Thank you, Matt, and hello, everybody. It is so great to be here, introduce the incredible Coolify 2. Last year, we've done a ton of user research and made some significant improvements to other products we have on the market. One of the things I love about product development at Taurus is all the incredible things we learn. One important thing we've learned in our research for Coolify 2 is that there are two crucial aortas in human body located on each side of the neck. They're responsible for supplying blood and heat transmitted by the body to the human brain. As a result of its sensory function, any temperature the brain perceives determines the temperature of the entire body. That is to say, the temperature of the carotid artery determines how hot-headed or calm a person can be mentally. With this information, we determined that the first major optimization for Coolify 2 had to be optimizing our cooling area. So we've redesigned the internal structure and layout. Without impacting the opening and closing angle of the fan, we divided the cooling area into two independent parts arranged on both sides of the fan. The new overall cooling area is now 5.8 times larger than that of the previous generation. It completely covers the sides of your neck and most of the back. To support a larger cooling area and to improve the performance of the cooling module, we upgraded the chip to KU 2.0. At the same time, we placed 105 pairs of cooling particles within the cooling modules on both the left and the right sides to uniformly control the surface temperature. These 210 pairs of cooling particles, using the principle of semiconductor refrigeration, provide a uniform cooling experience. If you're at an ambient temperature of 86 degrees Fahrenheit, based on the laboratory data, using Coolify 2 cooling mode, your first setting can cool you off by 15 degrees Fahrenheit. The second setting can cool you off by 22 degrees Fahrenheit. And the third setting can cool you off by 27 degrees Fahrenheit. The overall cooling effect of Coolify 2 is now an incredible 7 times larger than that of the previous generation. And due to the powerful KU 2.0 and the cooling particles, Coolify 2 can drop your sense temperature from 10 minutes to just 1 second. Sounds great, right? With these refinements, the cooling performance of Coolify 2 is more than enough to suit any individual's needs. But we still wanted how much more we could push. Optimizing the cooling modules of our own internal cooling system was the next crucial step. We realized that the heat emitted by the cooling module had the potential to interfere with the cooling effect felt by the user. To counteract this, we redesigned the structure of the cooling module of Coolify 2. Now, the heat emitted by the cooling module can be greatly dissipated without any skin contact. With this improvement, Coolify 2 delivers an even better cooling experience for our users. We didn't stop there either. After optimizing the cooling function, we also strengthened Coolify 2 airflow. The new Coolify 2 now has a uniquely redesigned one-piece air inlet, avoids the inhalation of air and other objects. The integrated air inlet reduces airflow resistance and improves the air throughout. Thus, the auxiliary fan provides a larger volume of air. But wait, there's even more. We also implanted 2 super large turbofans with a diameter of 38 millimeters, providing a tremendous increase in air volume and airspeed. The 2 turbofans are driven by a dedicated high-speed brushless motor with a speed of up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. This motor reduces the fan's noise and greatly increases the machine's life. To ensure that the airflow created by the larger air intake flows efficiently inside, we've used the principles of fluid mechanics and aerodynamics. To function in such a small space, the size and angle of the air duct have been optimized to the millimeter level. It also causes the airflow to self-pressurize inside. This achieves a greater air outlet effect. The design of the newly exclusive 4-air outlet is a testament to Taurus' ingenuity and attention to detail. This new layout not only increases the air outlet area, but also ensures the coverage of most of the neck and face. It also provides a uniform airflow, which helps prevent any discomfort from uneven heating or cooling. Turbine, motor, air inlet, air duct, and air outlet. With the optimizations and innovations of each aspect, the air output of Coolify 2 has been improved tremendously. I am sure everyone can't wait to hear more about the amazing leaps in performance from Coolify 2. But before my colleague, Roger Wong, shares even more surprises, we've got a Coolify 2 video for you.